Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Chanel flat bag from Coey Bags. If you guys already know, I have worked with them numerous times on my channel, and their quality of their bags are chef's kiss, one of my favorites. So if you guys don't already know, Coey Bags specializes in high quality replicas. So they have all kinds of designers on their website: Chanel, Louis Vuitton. Like, I'm gonna give you guys a list so just for reference. So they have Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Goyard, what else, Hermes, Dior, YSL, Fendi. They also sell shoes, belts, all kinds of stuff. So for the first time ever, when I went on their website, I usually just go to whatever category of bags when I shop, but I for once noticed that they have a new arrivals tab. So I was like, let me check out what that's about. And when I clicked on it, I didn't know that it's basically like what's new in actual designer stores. It's not just whatever's been out or anything like that. Like, they're keeping up with what is currently out for sale now. And I was like, wow. So when I was scrolling on there, I saw this Chanel flat bag from Chanel's fall collection, and I immediately was like, I need that bag. Like, something about Shearling or like little fur bags I love so much. Like, this is gonna be like my third or fourth bag that has like fur on it. When I tell you guys, I needed this bag, and I was having such a hard time deciding between the black one or this tannish one. But I went with the tan because I was like, the color is just speaking to me more. And they did have an option for like the bigger flat bag, but I have another bag that's kind of similar to that from YSL that has Shearling on it. So I was like, I'm gonna just go with the crossbody and the mini size. Yeah, it's so gorgeous. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so of course it comes in the box. You guys, I was so excited about getting this bag. It's so cute for the fall. So, and Coey Bags always does amazing with their quality. So it does come in a dust bag. You also get a little Chanel shopping bag. You get a ribbon if you want to tie it around your box. You also get the cute little flower. And then you just get like little booklet detail stuff. Okay, let's look at the bag. The bag is what we came here to see. So cute. So cute. I don't know why, but this type of brown gives me like classic vintage vibes. Something about it, something about this color. Oh, I love this color. So it's like the lambskin material, but the color, y'all. I love the fur on it. I love that it's like a light brown fur that they did. And it's so funny because when I was on the website and I first saw this bag, I was like, why do I feel like I've seen this before? I was like, this is so cute. And it's crazy, I went back on my Instagram likes. I was like, I feel like I've seen this bag months ago. And I seen it on Instagram when they were advertising Chanel's fall collection, and it was like their big tote bag version of this. I liked it, and I was like, no wonder I'm drawn to this bag. So it looks like this in the front. So cute. The double C's, the fur trimming. This is the side. This is the back. So the back is all fur. I have another type of bag like this that's all fur in the back, so you have to be really careful just in case of dye transfer. So I typically don't like to wear jeans with these kind of bags because they can get some transfer, so be careful. This is the bottom. Really cute. And the side, I love that it has gold hardwaring with this. I feel like the gold hardware is really nice with this bag. I don't even think on the actual Chanel website that they offer it with silver. I think it's only this type of gold, which I feel like is very beautiful. So the inside, you do have CC on the flap. And then the inside has a pretty good amount of space for it to be like the mini flap. I feel like it has a good amount of space. And this is of course a crossbody bag, so the chain on here is really nice. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. So It says Chanel on the inside, and this one doesn't have the flap. Was it the just like the flap? It's just zipper. So that's what's kind of different about it from other Chanel bags I've seen. It zips, and then they put the description in here. I feel like even the zipper has pretty nice space to put stuff in there. You do get a decent amount of space. This is what it looks like opened. And then it does have that CC there. So cute, you guys. I cannot wait to wear this, especially during the holidays. It's such a gorgeous bag. And the crossbody. Super cute. So I will have Coey bags linked in the description box below, plus a discount code for you guys to head over there and shop. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.